Hello my viewers, a very warm welcome back to my channel, Afro Beauty Braids channel. I'm so excited. I do realize we have new subscribers. A very warm welcome to you, and those of you that are watching and haven't yet subscribed, please do feel free to subscribe. My name is Irene, and once again welcome back to Afro Beauty Braids channel. Last week I put out a video and I shared about a hair growth treatment, one of my favorites. I showed you how to do that, put that together, how to apply it. I did get some feedback. I know in the last video I had braids, box braids, and I did demonstrate to you how to apply the treatment. So today I have taken out my braids. Well, I didn't take them out today, but this week I did take them out. They had been in for 5 weeks. I'm not one who keeps braids for a very long time for some reason. So they were 5 weeks old. I took them out, detangled my hair, and then tried to apply that same treatment without braids. So that's what today's review is about. I'm going to show you what my hair looked like or how it reacted without the braids. And then I did some twists, like a kind of a twist out. I don't wear twist outs because my hair is very light. So for me, it's not a style that suits me. I think it's better for people with fuller, like more volume. So, but anyway, I still shared that with you just for you to see what my twists look like, what the hair looked like, how shiny it was, and yeah. So guys, here I start my detangling process. It takes a while. By the time I started to record this, I had been at it for some time, just running my fingers through. Like I told you before, I have very light hair, so it's kind of not so much of a hard process for me, but yes, that's what my hair looks like. I've also had viewers who wanted to see what my hair looked like or what the length of my hair was. There you go. Today you have an opportunity to see it. So I have detangled. My first process was with my fingers, running my fingers through and making sure that there are no tight knots. At that point, all the hair is not so well detangled, so I'm trying to run a comb through, but at the same time my other hand or fingers are trying to feel through what I'm about to comb, just to make sure that I'm not losing any hair. Otherwise, if you just go ahead and start to comb, you will be tugging your hair too much and you will have issues with your scalp, and that's how a lot of people lose their hair anyway. You can see there's a lot of buildup as well. So, but I'm going to work with this hair even though it hasn't been washed, and that was the whole intention. To see what it, because it was at a very dry stage, I wanted to see how it would react having applied my treatment, or show you. I already knew, but I wanted to share this with you anyway. So now I'm just combing through, as you can see, just taking out the knots, just taking out the dirt. And yes, even when you have braids, remember hair goes through different stages. You'll still see some hair coming out. It's not that much. For me, that's a normal hair shedding. As you can see, there's barely anything there. But also, I hope you are noticing that I'm using a wide comb, a wide tooth comb, not a small comb. That's also very important at this stage. If you notice, my scalp looks wonderful even though I've had braids in, just because I've been using my treatment on my scalp and massaging my scalp and massaging my growth. Okay, at this point I'm just partitioning my hair and trying to work with small parts of it. It's much easier that way. So the intention is to put in the treatment and then use my hair butter, which I will show you. Right now I'm going to apply the treatment that we put together last week. Again, if you haven't watched my video from last week, I'm encouraging you to go back and do so. So you shake it, make sure everything is all blended together. I mean the ingredients. And then I put it over my hair and just massage and love on my hair as much as I can. Now, I can't tell you how much to put. For somebody who has thick hair, you probably need a little bit more. For somebody who has thin hair like mine, you don't need too much. And my hair also kind of retains the moisture, so it's not hard for it to. I don't need too much. I guess that's what I'm saying. I continue to work it through my hair, and then eventually apply the hair butter. Kind of comb through with a wide tooth comb again, just being very careful. And guys, look, my hair is already starting to look wonderful. So right there, I'm showing you my hair butter. I use it for my skin as well, by the way. And I think I got excited and used a little bit more than I should have. I should have used half of that for the portion of hair I had. But let's go ahead anyway and just massaged it in. I tend to pay attention to the edges and also the tips of my hair, because those are the most dry bits where I get the dryness in my hair. Just massage it in. Look, guys, it looks wonderful. My hair is smiling at me. And I'm even able to use a small tooth comb right there with no difficult. With no difficult. And I think you could use this, I believe you could use this treatment for wash and go. Because if I really wanted to wear that, I would just let my hair dry with that treatment in with no twists, and it would look wonderful and retain its curls. Yeah, I am going to do some twists because the intention is to do a vague twist out and see what it would look like. Give people an idea of a style that they could use in case this is your kind of style. I did tell you previously that because my hair is a little light, I don't have too much volume. I really don't wear twist outs, but I am zooming in for you to see the edges, and for me, that's an indication of wow, my hair is happy. They're all dry, the twists look so healthy. Yeah, just keep watching. So eventually, I will just twist the whole hair. As you can see, I'm not being serious because if you're doing a twist out, it's almost like a box braid technique in terms of how you align your twist outs so you can achieve a more fuller head. No, I'm not doing that. I'm just, roughly twisting as I go along. And then at the end of the twist, I kind of wrap the edge around my finger. There you go. So beautiful. So then right now, as you see, I did my whole head. I sat and did my housework, did whatever I wanted to do. And then after about 3-4 hours, my hair was dry. Guys, look how nice that, the curls look. Oh my God. I wish this was the style I wanted to wear. The curls are bouncy. The hair is shiny. It looks very healthy. And this is all from your kitchen, nothing from the shelf. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy products from the shelf, but really we do have things in our homes that we could use to achieve or to have a healthy head of hair. So just as a reminder, remember the ingredient of this treatment, so the ingredients of this treatment were fenugreek seeds, hibiscus flowers, then we used honey, aloe vera, and then you put in an oil of your choice. I love, love, love. I can't stress enough how much I love the way my hair looks. And this is before shampooing it, straight out of braids, just combed out the buildup and used the treatment. But look at that. I could even go another week without washing my hair. It looks so good. The scalp looks so good. The hair looks so good. It's, I'm so impressed. Okay. This is me after taking out all the twists. As you can see, it doesn't look so full, but you still get the idea of how nice the hair looks like. Amazing, amazing. I can't say that enough times. Amazing. Now imagine if I had a fuller head, it would be a whole different story. It still looks impressive to me. I'm sure a lot of you would agree with me. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to share with you this week. But I'm sure you get the point. I'm trying to show you the edges of my twists and getting closer for you to see how beautiful and fresh that hair looks. Well, not fresh, but how nice. So about next week, I'm still debating on what to put out first. I have two ideas. My first idea is to share with you the hair butter that I use on our scalp and our hair. Or my other idea, or the second idea, is another conditioner, kind of like a pre-poo. A pre-poo is like a conditioner that you use before you shampoo your hair, just to make sure your hair is moisturized enough. Okay, so you can leave me a comment and let me know which one I should put out first. So like I said, first idea is the hair butter that we use on our scalp and hair, that me and my daughter use to keep our hair moisturized on a day-to-day basis. The second idea is the Ethiopian hair butter that you use as a pre-poo before you shampoo your hair. I don't know if some of you have heard of a pre-poo. Just let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll just pick one of the two. Either way, if I do idea number 1 next week, I'll do idea number 2 the following week. So either way, both videos will be coming out. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you are having fun on this channel. And yes, I appreciate all of you. Thank you.